Hey guys, Mr. Roscoe here. So here at Educators Forge, we try to push the bounds of education. Students need as much resources and technology as possible to get the best results. Not always is a lecturing or paperwork going to work. So here are two resources I use and I enjoy using in my class. Notebook LM is a great AI resource that you can take and really put any kind of source or form or slides, notes, anything in, and it can create a number of things. So for instance, here's the selected sources. I put my financial literacy slides in here, and it gave me a general census about it right here. And then I can talk to it and type anything I want, chat to it, and it can answer questions for me. I can also do something where I can over here load a conversation podcast. So it takes a minute sometimes, it's kind of slow, but there are also many different things I can do: study guides, briefing doc, timeline, facts, and I've already created a few of these and they're very useful. It gives me a brief summary. I can also create a podcast. So let's listen to it real
Hey
quick.
everyone, and welcome back to the Deep Dive. Today we're diving into a topic that's super important but often overlooked, maybe even a bit intimidating, for some financial literacy.
So it creates a podcast between two people where they're having a conversation. This is great for students to listen to when they're at the gym or working on something or just walking. And that's a great way to learn this. So again, you can use it for multiple things. You have access to a few different, you can create as many as you want to my knowledge and have access to these. And I can give them to my students to show. So another thing is School AI. School AI is like your learning assistant, and it works a lot like Kahoot and other games like that, where I can have a class code, aka space code, and I can load people in here and they can talk to this chat bot. So, for instance, I have somebody that's already started a few, and I can see the current conversation is positive and the headline, and I can tell me what they're working on, what they're starting, or the last thing they started, they said. I can also get a summary of what idea they're having, what are they thinking, how are they feeling about the content, and give me a little more detail about it. It really helps. I can also pause it, end it, and invite more students. And it's AI generated. Again, I can give it resources that it can pull from, or I can just give it a general knowledge thing like a civic class exam prep, and that's what I'm using mine for. They all have access 24/7. They can have this anytime on their own devices. Use them.